Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tucker again. I just wanted to close out our assignment for today because I was about to run out of time on my recording video and I felt like it was a little rushed, so this will be a really short video. So what we were saying at the end is now you need to apply what you've learned about focused note taking by creating a digital poster for me, a digital poster. If you were in class, we might do skits or something else, but since most of you are at home, and even some of you in the classroom, you're going to create a digital poster. And I did go ahead and I started showing you an example, my example over here of a digital poster, and I just titled it How Focused Notes is Like Baking It, or is it How Focused Notes Are Like Baking? I'm going to have to check with my English teacher friends on that one, guys. But I am including pictures, I'm including numbers, and I'm explaining how it is like baking a cake. I used baking a cake, but like I said in the first video, you are actually welcome to use any kind of reference. Some examples here said like building a house, starting with your foundation and all the way up. Remember, you can't put up walls until you actually have your foundation. This one for my athletes, this one is talking about properly shooting a jump shot. So your digital poster should have pictures, it should have words, it should have a title. So by the time you're done with everything, I should see a digital poster, but you are also going to upload a picture of your notes on the videos from yesterday and the day before. So I should see notes about focused notes, and I should see the 4 phases of note taking on your notes. So I should be able to see your name, your date, your class period. I should be able to see the format that you selected. You know, the purpose is information gathering. And then if you go back, so I should see phase 2 where you processed your notes. Then I should see phase 3 where you created questions about your notes. And I should see phase 4 where you summarize your notes. So I'm going to specifically look for those things. So the format of the notes, that you actually revised and reviewed your notes, that you created questions about your notes, and that you summarized and reflected on your notes. Then for phase 5, your phase 5 is the digital poster of how focused notes is like this other thing. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have questions, guys. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything. Happy weekend.